Chef Anthony here, so excited to bring you this. We are gonna do a nice peel and eat shrimp on the induction top. Let's jump right into it, shall we? All right, so I cranked up the induction. I have it at an 11. Just have some water in here, normal tap water. If you're not using induction or gas, crank that bad boy up to high. We need a nice rolling boil. I already have the boil I need. For this, I have some nice shell-on 1620 shrimp. They look beautiful. Rinse those, bring those to temperature, make sure there's no ice on it, make sure they're fully at room temperature. To this, we are gonna add some seasoning. We're gonna add 1 can of beer. This is a nice light beer. This is an Icy Light, City Living. Get this going. This is a great base for peel and eat shrimp. Save a little for your thirst. Next, pinch of salt and pepper. Look at that, give it a little bit. Next, 1/4 stick of butter goes right in. I put the whole stick in because it'll kind of melt gradually instead of really bringing it down. Butter and beer go hand in hand. Old Bay, old trusted friend here. We're gonna use a bunch of Old Bay in this seasoning. We have a lot of water. We wanna really get it. Save a little bit for the shrimp at the end. We're gonna pop some Old Bay on it as well. Next, some scallions. We're gonna pop these in. Give you 1 scallion. I'm just gonna break it up, kind of quarter it into some sticks. So just give it some flavor. We'll give you that onion note, okay? A little bit of lemon as well. Nice look. So we'll do a half a lemon squeeze right in. And here's the thing, I'm not wasting any of it. Pop it all in. And we're gonna let that steep. We're gonna let that roll, okay? Kind of bring it up to a little bit of a bubble. While we're doing that, we'll keep our shrimp right here. We'll cut these lemons to finish. Okay, I'll keep these guys right here. Here's a little secret. I throw a little Old Bay on them. Kind of gives me the twofer effect. You don't want to dump this all in either. Let's be gentle. You know, we took the time to thaw this shrimp. We're building, steeping this liquid for the peel and eat shrimp. We want to pop them in very nicely. Okay? Now, we want to bring this to a simmer. Then we're going to put a lid on it for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is 1620 shrimp, so 3 to 5 is kind of the way to go. If you're using a smaller shrimp, cut that down, about 2.5 minutes, things like that. What I like to do, not a lot, let's do a couple batches. You got a ton of people, you know, do a couple batches of this, makes it nice and easy, quick and fresh. You want to eat these fresh and tender, so. Lid on. Really steams it up fast. This is a time that I like to really just shut the heat all the way down. You're on your gas, you're on your electric, you're on your induction, doesn't matter. Keep the heat down. This will almost poach this shrimp, kind of make it very tender instead of at a rolling, raging boil where it's gonna make it really tough. We wanna have it nice and tender so we can pull that shell right off. Look at that. Look at the color on there. Here's how we can tell. They're hot, but look, if I press on this and it gets back and it's firm like this, I know they're ready to go, okay? That is beautiful. Think about straining this broth, you know, make a shrimp sauce out of it. You could even make a little soup. Be a great base for a lobster bisque, just saying. But either that or, you know, get another 10 pounds of shrimp and have a party. This won't treat you. Look at this. Little Old Bay on top. This is how we're serving some peel and eat shrimp. Just like this. I dig it. I gotta try it. Best way to do this. Give it a twist. Give it a push. Tail comes right off. Peel back. Ah, man, so good. Look at the color on this. Beautiful Gulf shrimp. Tender, very nice. Ooh, almost forgot my little side. A little bit of lemon. Old Bay. Oh, that's good. That's good. This is perfect. This is best you can get. A few minutes with a great base, some beer, some peel and eat shrimp. Use this recipe, enjoy it.